Hello! Thank you for watching Montessori Lesson Channel. In this video I will be introducing learning the external parts of the horse activity from the Culture and Science section. The materials required for the activity are horse puzzle and yellow mammal folder. This activity can be done with smaller mammals such as guinea pig, gerbil or rabbit as well. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child the external parts of the horse. The instructions for the activity are: go over the 5 classes of animals of fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Next, ask the child which class does horse go into and mention that it is the mammals group like humans. Show the child the horse puzzle and refer to a picture of a horse from the mammals folder. Go over the characteristics of horse, that they are warm-blooded animals, they have hair or fur and produce milk to feed their babies. Explain where the eyes are and mention that it is on the head towards the side part, but it allows looking forward. Tell the child that this allows to see other animals approaching from the sides and look straight when running. Next, explain that the large nostrils on its muzzle that is used for breathing and smelling. Point out the ear next, that it is large and they have good hearing. Explain that the large front teeth for cutting grass and large molars for grinding the grass. Mention that the fur is for keeping the horse warm. Explain that the forelock, mane and tail is for keeping dusts and insects away. Next, talk about the stout neck, large muscles and long legs, that it is for the horse to run fast. Point out about the legs further, that the forelegs have knees like humans. The hind legs have hocks that bend in the opposite direction to the knees. The hocks helps with running fast. Explain that the hooves is a single toe. Have the child return the materials back to the shelf. This ends this video for today. Thank you for watching.